So you want to start using Canva, but you're a complete beginner and just don't know where to start and everything makes you feel lost. If this is you, then you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to talk about everything Canva for absolute beginners. I will go through the Canva basics that you need to know as a newbie, that you need to master in order to create beautiful designs for your business, for pleasure, or for just anything else in general. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create simple and more complicated designs with Canva, even if you're a complete beginner and just never used it before. You will learn how to use different kind of graphics, photos, how to edit text, how to use different types of designs in Canva, their apps, and so much more. So if you've never used Canva before, don't worry, this is a beginner-friendly tutorial. It is a step-by-step process for absolute beginners, and you will be able to work in Canva side by side with me and learn the basics as we go. Canva is not at all hard to learn, so if you want to start learning it now, make sure to keep watching this video. Now let's get started. So the first thing we're going to go through are the types of design choices, and we have a document, we have a whiteboard, Instagram story, post, banner, and thumbnail for YouTube, a different story type of thing, a video, A4 document, presentation, Facebook post, poster, logo, resume, infographic, flyer, and so much more, like websites. You can print products, use things for social media, and so much more right here. So there are a bunch of things that you can find right here, such as templates for infographics. You can see more right here, photo collages, desktop wallpaper, graphs, book covers, and much more. Then over here you can find visual documents and the types of visual documents that you can use. Photos and videos, you have a video editor and a YouTube video editor, a photo editor, and photo collages. You can print different things, and you can also use different things for marketing, such as logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media websites, and so much more, including a QR code generator. You can choose from existing Canva templates, or you can create your own. For business, you have content creation and a bunch of things right here that can help you. You have education, you have plans and pricing, and you have a learn, so you can find everything you need, design school events, and so much more. Then right over here you will have projects, so you will have your own projects, you will have your folders here as well. Recent, you will find projects, folders, designs, images that you've uploaded, and videos that you've uploaded as well. Then if you go back to home, you will find the templates, and under templates you will find templates for all these types of things: popular topics, featured collections, different recommendations. You can browse by your last design, new things, docs, posts, logos, and so much more. They have a bunch of templates, free and pro ones, that are super good, and I recommend trying them out. Then under Brand Hub right here, you can use it with a pro version. You can try it free for 30 days. You can add your logos, your color palettes, your own fonts, photos, graphics, and even icons. Under apps right here, you will find text to image, you will have SharePoints, and so many things that you can use to create amazing designs, even to generate QR codes or add QR codes to your designs. Then what you can do is start creating a design by going to create a design, and you can see all the suggested ones right here. Or you can import a file or create from a custom size. Let's choose the YouTube thumbnail, for example. When you choose a design, you'll find the template recommendations for it that suits that size into templates and design right here. You will have all results. You can search YouTube thumbnail templates or any templates, and you can choose one that fits your needs. You can choose from recently used ones. You can choose from different styles. And for example, we're going to choose this one and edit it to our liking. You can choose stock photos for the background, or click right here to upload your own images. You can click here and choose a certain color to use for the entire background or for some photos only. You can click right here to undo, or click Ctrl Z, or to redo you can click Ctrl Shift Z, or just click here. For the photos, you have photo colors, and this includes all the photos that you have in this particular design. You can see all the color templates that are included in that photo. Then you have default colors, and you have gradients. You can choose from your brand kit color palette as well, or you can document colors, which means you can add a new color based on this, or you can choose a gradient and choose the type of gradient that you want to add. For using a solid color, you can use this color code and copy it and just paste it to any other element or design. You can also find it here, but anytime you need, you can paste the color code and just use it for any type of thing. Another thing you can do with an element, you can choose this to modify the size, or like this, or make it like this. To delete, simply click on thing and click delete, or use delete image or grid, or you can click delete from your keyboard. To add a photo anywhere in the design, you can drag and drop it in the background. For example, you can choose from photos. They have a bunch of free photos you have recently used, or you can choose from trending or magic recommendations, or you can just search millions of photos, as you can see right here. To change its position in the background, just simply double click and change the position of the photo, and then click here. Things you can do to an image is you can edit it, crop, flip, horizontal or vertical. You can animate, change its position, forward to front, backwards, its size, align to page. You can change the transparency or opacity. You can copy the style and paste it to any other thing, or you can lock this, so when you try to move multiple elements and when you select multiple elements, then you'll be able to move them around without the background being affected or any other element that you did unlock. So when you create a template, for example, and you change the transparency, that will be the transparency for the image in the templates, any image that you decide to use. Other edits that you can do to the image are by adding shadows, photogenic filters, use the background remover with the pro version or a free trial, adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation, and much more. You can use filters, smart mockups, shadows, duotone, and so much more. To add more images to a design, you can use frames or grids, and you will find those under elements and frames or grids right here. To add photos here, you can just drag them and drop them from photos, or you can upload your own media. To upload, you will find your images, videos, and audio right here. Down here under projects, you will also find uploads organized in folders. If you have Canva Pro for easier access, and you can create a new folder, see the things you've purchased, start, or you will see your folders here. And under projects, you will also find your designs, folder, images, and videos. In Brand Hub, again, you can add your logo, color palette, fonts, and anything else that you want to upload, such as icons, graphics, or photos. Under text right here, you'll find a bunch of different font combinations that will work for your designs, or you can just add a heading, subheading, or a little bit of a body text. Uploading your own fonts again is very possible with Canva Pro. Let's select the text right here and see the changes that you can do to it. You can change a font from right here and search different types of styles. Go to text styles, for example. You can choose its size, or you can change its size by just dragging the corners. You can place it in the middle of the design like this and watch the lines to align it. Then you can change the font's color right here, or you can use italics, you can use underline, you can use uppercase or lowercase. You can align it in different places, use it as a list. You can add spacing, letter spacing, or line spacing. You can use effects such as shadow and use black, for example, to use a shadow, or you can use a lift or hollow, splice, outline, echo, glitch, neon, and add a background to it as well. And a bunch of these things also have different effects to them that you can use, such as spread, roundness, transparency, and much more. You can also choose to curve a text, which will do this. you can choose the roundness again, but under curve, you can also choose how curved you want it to be. So you can choose that. You can also animate the text, change its position from backward to back. You can also choose its transparency. Again, copy style or lock this layer. To duplicate the text, simply press right here or copy and paste to another design. To delete, you can click here or to delete on the keyboard. You have copy style, paste, duplicate, delete layer, align to page, or choose to add a comment or a link to the text or lock it. Next, you can use to find elements and find all types of things such as lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, grids, and collections. Another thing you can do is use a draw, which is a new feature they have. You can choose your desired drawing thing and choose its color. Let's say this one, you can choose different things. For example, if you want to make a circle, just click here and press on the mouse to create a circle. Or if you want to create a line, same thing, just keep it pressed and it should transform into a line. You can choose this to create different things that maybe you want to typewrite by yourself, or you can use your iPad to draw something in your own font, like a smiley face or anything else. You have the eraser and many other things right here, which is a really good feature that I think is very useful. Whenever you want to use the mouse, just click here. Next, you can add or remove pages from a design, add up to 300 pages and duplicate, for example. You can see them all right here, or you can zoom in, change the page titles. You can share it with a person to view or edit. You can invite someone to your team or share the template link right here. A copy will be made in their Canva account. You can present and record. You can use a view only link, share on social, print the design, or you can even download for more. To download this design, you can choose the file type right here. And whenever you add an animation, you will also be able to download it as an MP4 or as a video in general, and you will be able to play it right here. With the Pro version, you can choose the quality, the file type, you can choose the pages that you want to download and select only one and just download it. You can also use a transparent background or compress file if you have the Pro version. Now, here are some awesome things that you can create in Canva and how you can do it. The first thing is a QR code, and you can create that by just going here and clicking for QR code generator. Or you can just simply use the apps and go to the QR code. You can generate a QR code, and this QR code will be generated based on a link that you add. So for example, using a new design, what would you like to create? Instagram post, for example, and you have this app that you can use. You press and you enter a URL, for example, let's say my website, and you can click generate code. And this is the code that when people scan, they will be automatically led to my website. It is just that simple. Another thing you can use Canva for is videos, Instagram Reels or TikToks, or edit just any other type of video. You can use transitions, animations, and more. You can use it for product photos, and you can do that from apps in Canva. You can go to apps and product photos, and you can choose a photo that you have. You can select from uploads, let's say this one. You don't need Pro for that. You can click next and choose this one. And they prepare your photo, they remove the background for you, and they present a product to you, as you can see right here. So this will be great for a bottle, shoes, anything else. You can use it in a design or download it directly. Imagine this is a product, because with a face it looks kind of crazy. Then you can also use smart mockups for different types of things as well. You can use desktop mockups, for example, and you can use a bunch of these that are super nice. For example, let's choose this one. You can select it, select your photo, or you can upload a different photo, but I'm going to select this one. Select, and there you go. This is your mockup. You can adjust it to fit the entire desktop, for example. Save. A lot better. Save mockup, and then you can just download it or use it in a design. Other thing that you can create with Canva are Etsy listing images. You can choose any type of banner or graphic for your business, animation videos, PDFs, contracts, resume, media kits, an ebook, and most importantly, templates for each of these that you can promote and sell as unique digital products and make passive income. So there you go. These are some Canva basics that you need to know in order to master Canva for your projects, whether they are for your business or personal projects. If you've enjoyed this video and you think that this tutorial was a beginner-friendly tutorial that taught you a bunch of things about Canva that you didn't know, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below to my channel for new such videos every single week. Also, if you want to learn how to create digital products in Canva, how to sell them on Etsy for passive income, how to make more money with social media and start your own business, website, and make money online, you can find all of these types of videos on my channel. So if you subscribe, you'll be seeing these videos pop up every single week. If you want even more content that is unique, make sure to check out YouTube Shorts, my Instagram Reels, and TikToks at Lead Incoming Success. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.